How to fix Google Play Store keeps stopping. If any day you see the problem of your Google Play Store being stopped, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. First of all, go to the settings option on your device. After you go to the settings option on your device, you will see an interface like this. After that, go to the search option in the settings, and after you go to the search option in the settings, search apps out there. And after you search apps out there, you will see an interface like this. However, the interface may vary as per the device as you are using. However, the process is the same for all. After that, tap on apps and then you will see the list of the apps that are in your device. Now go to the search section of your apps and search Google Play Store out there. Otherwise, you can also scroll down until you find the option of Google Play Store. After that, you can find the option of Google Play Store. Tap on Google Play Store. After you tap on Google Play Store, scroll down until you find the option of storage. And when you find the option of storage, tap on it. Now go to the option of clear cache. After that, go to the next option, that is the option of clear data. And when you tap on clear data, go to delete. So this way, your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching the video. And if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.